So friends, if you have Amazon gift card and if you're wondering how to add gift card to your Amazon account and how to use it, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the very first thing you have to do is just simply open Amazon application in your mobile phone, and it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Once the Amazon application is started, just simply select Amazon Pay option over here at the top. If you are not able to see that option over there on the home screen, then you can directly go to wallet option, or else you can go to use section, and over here you can go to accounts, and in accounts, if you go down, you get an option of Amazon Pay. Over here you can see there is a direct option of add gift card to your balance. So if I select that option, it will directly take me to the Amazon Pay gift card page. Now you can see this is the current balance, which is 153 rupees, and if you have gift card, then you need to enter the code over here. Now where you can find the code? So if you have the card, just take the card like this. So if you have the card, at the back side you can see you need to scratch this, and over here you will find your gift card code. So you have to enter the code over here and then go ahead. One more thing. So if you go to wallet section, over here you need to select Amazon Pay balance first, and you have to go down, and in manage you get an option of add a gift card. So if you go through this method, you will be coming to this particular page. Now let's enter the gift card code and go ahead. So now you can see I have entered the code. Let's tap on add gift card to balance option, and now you can see 500 is successfully added to Amazon balance. So if I go back, if I go to wallet, earlier the balance was 153.92, but currently you can see the balance is 653.92. Now we have added the balance, but how to use it? So if you want to buy any particular product, so we'll search for a product over here. So once you get the product, just simply select it and tap on buy now option. On the next page, you can check out your address. If you want to change it, then you have that option as well. But down here, if you want to do payment using Amazon Pay balance, which is the Amazon Pay wallet balance, then you can see there is an option and it is showing me the amount, which is 653.92. So I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to continue and go ahead, and the payment will be done. So this is how simple it is to add Amazon gift card to Amazon application, and it is very simple to use as well. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.